Welcome to this Fabricville video. With Valentine's Day approaching, we're going to make fabric envelopes to give out your cards. It's a great opportunity to use your fabric scraps. The piece that forms the envelope is a rectangle extended by a triangle on one of the short sides. For a finished envelope of 12 by 8 cm, I draw a rectangle 12 cm wide and 16 cm long, extended by a triangle 4 cm high. I cut this shape twice per envelope. I put them on top of each other. Then I sew the edges together 5 mm from the cut, leaving a 5 cm opening at the bottom of the envelope to turn it right side out. I trim the excess fabric at the corners, then turn the envelope right side out. And I press. I shape the envelope and press again. Then I top stitch the sides 5 mm from the edges. Now I cut small squares of Velcro. I sew by hand one part at the point of the envelope and the other part face to face on the front of the envelope. And that's it. These envelopes come together quickly, perfect for easily using up your scraps. I wish you a lovely Valentine's Day and see you soon!